Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be recreating a makeup look which will be very eye-catching. So I'm going to give you the tips and tricks. I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this perfect eyeshadow look. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Good morning beauties. Welcome back to my channel, Modern Transformation by Celeste. In today's video we're going to do another makeup tutorial, and this is the look. And I'm going to show you guys step by step how I achieve this look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay beauties, you guys already know I'm going to use IMV eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to be using the Nude Me and Rainbow Me. So I'm going to use this blue in the rainbow, which is Serenity, and I'm going to use Hard, which is in the Nude Me palette. I mixed those two colors together, and I'm just going to apply here in the inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to blend it all the way out towards the middle of my eye. Okay, so I'm just blending it out. I'm going to go ahead and use the white Pier in the Rainbow Me palette. I'm going to blend it all the way out. Like that, so you guys can see the color, and I'm just blending it out. Okay, so we have that one. I'm going to use my favorite eyeliner, Ruby Kisses. I'm going to apply it here. I'm going to go in my Nude Me palette, and I'm going to use Hypnotic. And I'm going to put it in the inner crease of my eye. It's like a little purplish lavender look. And I'm just going to add a little bit more. Look careful. Now, my favorite part, I already put the primer, which is my Vaseline, on. So I'm just letting it sit a little bit. And I'm going to apply some concealer. I'm going to use my Nicka K concealer, Cinnamon. I'm going to apply that here. Okay, and I'm going to use a lighter color here, 06. And I'm going to let that dry, and I'm going to use my setting spray. Oops, by e.l.f. And I'm going to go back with my cinnamon. I'm just going to outline my lips a little bit. And I'm going to let that soak in just a little bit more. And then I'm going to use the Nude Me Excitement. And I'm going to apply that in the middle. And use a little white and apply it in here as well. I'm going to go ahead and blend in my concealer. I'll go around here. Blend, blend, blend. And I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses deep brown. I'm going to apply that under here. That's it. And then I'm going to use my mascara. My favorite mascara by e.l.f. And I'm going to apply underneath. And this is it. And I'm going to show you guys the finished look. Alright, beauties, this is the final look. I hope you guys did enjoy my tutorial. I used two Nika K, I'm sorry. I used I Envy eyeshadow palettes. I used the Nude Me and the Rainbow Me. Mixed the colors together, and it came out very beautifully. Lavenderish, bluish, black. I hope you guys did enjoy. So if you guys haven't purchased this affordable makeup palettes, you need to go get it. $11.99, can't beat that. And with the beautiful colors that actually show and stays on 24/7. So thank you guys for tuning in. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And come on guys, let's get these views up to 11,000. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see me do next, and we can make it happen, and we can collab if you guys want to. It's up to you guys. But thank you guys for tuning in, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye. Well, we're back. I want to say thank you, beauties, for watching my content. I hope you guys did enjoy it. This makeup, eye-catching makeup look. And it was just with lavender, white, blue and black colors mixed. And I wanted to achieve that look, and I wanted to draw, you know, people attention with my eye opening. And these are my pictures side by side with my eyes open and closed, so you guys can see the fulfillment of the color. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tricks and tips. And I will see you guys later. Bye.